If you don't have an account yet, click on Register and fill in the fields to proceed. You can add the number of the ownership card manually or by scanning the QR code on the back of the card. You must include a special character for the password to be valid. If you want to be kept up to date about our products and services, select the second box too. In the menu bar, select Register Cylinder. Enter the details of the new cylinder. Enter the verification code sent to your telephone number. The cylinder details will be saved on the home screen. Click on the 3 blue dots of the cylinder you want to disable. Your cylinder will be disabled and the card can no longer be used to request key copies. Click on the 3 blue dots of the card you want to replace. Your ownership card will be replaced and an order code will be sent to your phone, which you can use to request a new card at a distributor. Click on the Order History menu to see all key copies made for your cylinders. Click on the Settings menu. Here you can delete your account or change information, your privacy and marketing preferences, and also your password.